This is my brother, Henry Richard. We're both retired. My brother came to live with me 4 months ago from New Jersey, and he needs help taking care of himself, so here I am. My brother's legs aren't so good. He's had 2 strokes, and one thing that I could not physically do and didn't have the time, or I just couldn't do it, was build a ramp.
If I could walk, I'd do it myself. I can't walk anymore, so. But I put a deck on this house up in Monaco. I built a whole deck on that house with stairs down. Came out still standing. It's come out nice, beautiful. But I can't do it anymore.
This ramp was something that we absolutely needed, but I absolutely could not do it. So I am very, very thankful for these kids, for you guys and these kids coming out and doing this for us.
So we framed up the deck, and now we're loading it into the trailer, and this is the ramp right here. I think we really just wanted to see if all the framework would fit and we had the right stuff, and kind of get a feel for the project before we go out in the field and just try to put it together there.
What are you expecting when you get over there?
A lot of work.
We're demoing this deck, and then we're gonna put in another deck we prefabbed over in the lab. There was rotten nails, rotten screws, the wood was all rotten. A couple places were pushed in on the deck board.
The other class did the outer end of the porch, so we just have to put together the main sides for the ramp, and I was digging holes for the corner side so that we can put concrete inside to keep the whole porch stable.
We're just working on filling in the holes with concrete.
We're gonna put like posts in the holes to hold the porch together.
It's been fantastic watching the progress and seeing the steps and stages of all this. The kids are all involved. They've made mistakes. They've had to take them out and undo them. It's part of life.
It's a learning experience for everybody here.
We do like all the landscaping, like anything to do with plants and animals. We weeded around the pond that he has, and then we pulled up some limbs and some roots, and we took out a tree actually.
The stump that was over here, they needed a shovel, like thicker shovel, and building trades had a shovel that they used for the concrete that was real thick, so they let us use that, which was really helpful. It's kind of nice because you get to see other things like what they're doing, and they can kind of see what you're doing, and it's just a different environment to be around, and it's nice to be around sometimes.
But I think this is a super, I've said it before, a super project for the kids to learn the actual hands-on.
A class like this, it's giving me more hands-on experience. It's getting me out and doing stuff, getting my hands dirty.
The fact that we're out here actually putting it directly to the house, it gives us experience working on the field already before even getting out of school.
So I don't really like to sit and take notes. He kind of just sends us off and we figure it out, and then when we need help, he helps us. I really like that way of learning. I think that works best for me. So I like this class a lot, yeah.
He'll sit in that doorway, and he's got to be up and at that door when they get here, and he watches every step of the way. It's been very good for him, very therapeutic. With the memory issues, he can connect to things that he knew.
I live on Thomas Woods Trail, which is probably 3 minutes from here. You kind of know the people, so it makes you feel like, yeah, I'll help you anytime. I live right down the street. You can just call me and I'll come help you.
I love to see smiles on people's faces. It do a good day in my heart. He's watching us, and that looks so much exciting to him. So I think if we're making him happy at the end of the day, yeah.
We built this deck for him so he could get out and go around places and everything. And doing it through school, I think everybody gets a learning experience, and everybody feels good about it once they're done.
A huge, huge thank you. I couldn't have asked for more. That kind of sums it up. There aren't enough words to thank everybody enough. My original search was looking for someone to do a ramp. We got that and so much more.